industrialized building system is a term by means of a construction technique which the manufacturing of the structural components in a factory or supervised environment, both off-site or on the site, then transported, placed and assembled into construction works. Construction Industry Development Board (CIDB) Malaysia promotes the usage of IBS because it will increase the quality and productivity of construction through various training, promotion programs and incentives. IBS is not a new concept in Malaysia. It was introduced in Malaysia in 1960s after the Ministry of Housing and Local Government of Malaysia visited several European states and measures their lodging and development plan. After their visit in 12 May 1964, the first undertaking utilizing IBS has started by the authorities. First project IBS is at Pekeliling Flats KL, or better known as Tunku Abdul Rahman Flats. About 22.7 estate of land along the Jalan Pekeliling, Kuala Lumpur was devoted to the undertaking, consisting 7 blocks of 17 narrative level, 3,000 units of low price level and 40 stores lot. The second lodging undertaking initiated by the authorities is the Rifle Range Flat Penang, consists of 3 blocks of 18 narrative flat and 6 blocks of 17 narrative flat at Jalan Rifle Range Penang in 12 May 1965.
So we're moving on to IBS score system. This system is to provide a systematic and structured assessment system to measure the usage of IBS in a consistent way, which can be found in construction industry standard. So this is the principle of IBS score. The first one is the use of fabricated and precast components, outside production of components, the use of standardized components, repeatability, and lastly module coordination MC in building MS 1064. Higher IBS score is a reflection of higher productivity, reduction of site labor, lower wastage, less site materials, cleaner environment, better quality, neater and safer construction sites, faster project completion as well as lower total construction costs.
Moving on to the next slide, the types of IBS system, which involve 5 types. The first one is precast concrete system. This is the most common IBS system. The precast concrete was made in factory or in a controlled environment at site. Then it will be transported to the site and will be erected with the help of lifting systems such as crane. Precast concrete consists of column, beam, slab, staircase and many more. There are 3 types of precast concrete, which consists of wall frame, portal frame and also skeletal frame. Wall frame only consists of the wall and floor of building. For the portal frame, it is usually used in warehouse, factory and involve only roof, rafter and column. For the skeletal frame, it contains the column, beam, floor, slab. Next, the second type of IBS system is steel formwork system. This system is considered as the least prefabricated system in IBS as it involves site casting, so it's subject to the structural quality control. The product of this system usually produces high quality finishes and usually eliminates the need for plastering. Tunnel formwork system is one of the type of the steel formwork system. It is a process that forms slab and wall by pouring concrete into the steel mold. The system allows the contractor to cast wall and slabs in one operation efficiently. The same process will be repeated for the next floor of building, so it is suitable system for residential condo or apartment that involves repetitive cellular construction. Furthermore, the third type of IBS system is steel framing system. This system is commonly used with precast concrete slab, steel columns and beam, as well as portal frame system. In recent development, the system includes the usage of light steel trusses that consist of cold formed steel channel and steel portal frame as an alternative to the heavier traditional hot roll sections. So it is widely used for skyscraper building and large factory and exhibition hall that require wide area. Next, the fourth IBS system is prefabricated timber framing system. This system is mostly consisting of building frame, the column and beam, and roof trusses. This timber system actually has their own niche market that offer interesting design with high aesthetical value for building in tourism industries such as chalet for resort. Lastly, the fifth IBS system is block work system. The construction method of using conventional bricks has been revolutionized by development and usage of first the interlocking concrete masonry unit and second lightweight concrete blocks. By using this effective alternative system, the tedious and time-consuming traditional bricklaying tasks are greatly simplified. Moving on to the next slide, we look at the safety precaution of installing IBS system. In every construction, of course, safety measure needs to be taken. First, the health and safety. Employer have the responsibility to ensure health and safety of all employees in work environment. So, employer must provide and maintain a safe working environment and ensure all employees are well informed of the information regarding the emergency procedure, use of safety equipment, and etc. Second is the training. Employer must appoint an appropriate experienced person that will be able to supervise the employees who are not yet skilled and experienced as a way to improve their knowledge and skill to be able to work safely. Third is the hazard. In construction, many processes of casting, transporting easy machinery or equipment involved could arise many hazards. So employees need to be reminded and aware of the possible hazard. The last one is safe lifting. To carry out safe lifting process, they need to ensure that every equipment and machinery are well maintained and the employees use the right equipment for the right job.
Next is the case study, one of the building in Malaysia that use IBS concept. The name of the building is Sekolah Jenis Kebangsaan Cina Damansara, located at Petaling Jaya, Selangor. Consists of 4 blocks. The project site is 2.1 hectares. The position of site started on 1 February 2001 and the completion of the project take 5.5 months, which complete on 31 July 2001. First picture showing the ground level on March 2001 and level 1 which also started on the same month. This is the fast track project using prefabricated components. Beam, floor slabs and staircase were prefabricated in the factory. Meanwhile, for wall panel, they use hollow blocks. For floor slabs, they use half slabs with concrete topping, which I will show the details about it in the next slide. In terms of quality, this type of construction only costs half than the normal cost and will also lessen the risk of the building having crack and deflection since it's already installed the lattice girder. It also become a convenience type because of the lattice girder that make it easy to lift the slabs. So this is some of the pictures during the construction project. Level 2, Level 3, roof level, and external work.
So the benefits are shorter construction time, cost saving, as the component is made of steel, aluminium, or other materials that allows for repetitive use. Lower labor dependence, as IBS components are produced in factory. Better finished product quality due to careful selection of material, use of advanced technology, better and strict quality assurance control, since production in factory is under sheltered environment, optimal material usage, waste reduction, increase of site safety and neatness, as utilization of IBS components leads to less construction process, especially wet work at site, and lastly, lower weather impact to construction progress. These are the challenges of industrial building system. First one, IBS adoption must be executed in line with the efficiency and effectiveness of property development processes. Second, the high cost of machinery due to low economy of scale. Next, negative perception on the quality of IBS. Lastly, worker skills in preparation for adoption of IBS. IBS is an evolution of construction using a new and innovative techniques rather than a revolution. IBS should move up the degree of industrialization from prefabrication to reproduction through innovation. The reproduction level of industrialization will involve the whole project life cycle from planning to maintenance. It is hoped that the generic definition and classification that have been proposed in this paper will initiate positive debate into it. Thus, it will enhance our understanding of IBS. This is all from us. Thank you.